Let's do a review of the sleeping bag. I want to check it out, opening with a key. First off, I can tell you this thing weighs like ounces. So much lighter than my normal sleeping bag that I camp with. This must be a backpacking sleeping bag. Thank you. That's it. I'll send measurements of the packed size.
It's definitely too big for backpacking.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because
Hikpeed.
you not only want weight reduction but size. This thing is very light.
Hikpeed brand sleeping bag, very light. So it's too big for backpacking, you think?
Yeah, because it would take up so much space in your pack. Those backpacking tents are really small. This is
I don't know, this is not too bad. I've never been backpacking, so my opinion of this, and how much backpacking have you done?
I've gone
a couple times.
twice.
Yeah. Me as a beginner backpacker, I would take this because this is a fourth of the size of the sleeping bag that I have now that I take. I normally go camping, truck tent camping, where we just drop it down. We have a big cooler with, 100 beers in it. But if I were to go backpacking, I would not take my other one. I would take this, depending on how cold it is. I don't know what.
You don't know what it's rated to?
No, I'll have to look it up on the website. So this
nice.
feels good. What would you call this?
Polyester.
It probably says on the.
I have no idea.
I like the inside is not cotton. It's still made of the same material. It seems to be a cooler material.
This probably cleans well.
Yeah.
You wipe
You
it
spill your beer on it.
It might wick water. Can you find out?
Sure.
Yeah, look at that wicking water.
That's good.
Nice.
Yeah. So it's got a Velcro strap here. Zipper down.
It's got some insulation in it too.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
Comes with a bag. Oh, there's the tag here to give us some info.
Open them up all the way and then screw another one to it.
Yeah, I did that with my lady. We did a queen size sleeping bag together. Yeah. And then it's got its own pillow here for a single person, but yeah, it's got a hood. Yeah. So these are meant for cold. It's got some padding on it. It's got a little pillow.
Drawstring for the hood.
Drawstring. In addition to the zipper, it's got the Velcro. There isn't a care instructions here. Shell polyester, lining polyester, filling hollow fiber.
It is polyester.
Yeah, that was just a guess. Good guess. Summer night, yeah, summer night, and you can go watching a movie outdoors with your lady or whatever. You're gonna need two of them. Or like you said, the square ones you can add up together.
That's the best feature of it.
So, yeah, so he likes the feature of the double up. The zipper seems good. I like the drawstring. I like the hood. I like the bag.
I'm struggling with it.
He says he doesn't know about the zipper. He's struggling with it. It's operator error, I'm sure.
I'm sure. Nice.
There we go.
Not as much insulation.
We're making a complete, unbiased opinion without looking at the website of a product, and we're trying to figure out what it would be good for. Summertime, fun time sleeping bag. I would hike with it. It's light. It's probably 6 feet long. I'll put the measurements up here.
Pretty good.
So here's the whole setup. We got the Hikpeed truck bed tent and the sleeping bag. I like it. So that is the sleeping bag review. I like it. Thumbs up. All right.
How easy is it to pack back up?
Oh, right. All right, so let's package it up. Let's see how easy it is. Because that could be a good or a bad thing. And it didn't come with instructions.
Have you ever rolled
Yeah, watch this.
Okay. What is that? What is that? Oh my God.
Okay, wait. Take my bag quality rolling
Yep.
and see if it fits. If it doesn't work, we'll delete this and then you do it.
Look how big that is.
That's what she said.
You're gonna fit that in your backpack and not have not have room for food?
Well, it depends on what we're doing. And I'm not much of a backpacker or bought backpacker sleeping bags, so I don't even know what to compare it to. But what I can compare is my set it and forget it camping, where I bring my cooler and we drop it down. And this is a quarter of the size of that. Yeah, it's like this big.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so look at that. I have no packing skills and I fit right in.
Hikpeed.
Hikpeed.